Hi Ranch and Manel, congratulations and best wishes. Sabi niyo nga sa Friendster, so much in love. So now, stay in love and happy. Sana nandyan kami. Di bali na nandyan naman si Sancho, representative namin. So I hope you enjoy your wedding and stay healthy. Sana makarami kaming apo sa inyo. Ranch, welcome to our family. And si Manil may kasama na dito sa New York pag gumigimik. Hindi na siya single. Ngayon, double na siya. Best wishes and congratulations both of you. And sana pagdating ni Manil, payat na siya. Bye!
Hi to Manel and Kuya Ranch. Congratulations and best wishes. We wish we were there in your wedding. We love you and miss you. Mwah.
Oh, wow.
Hi Manel and Rance, best wishes. Congratulations on your big day. Wish you all the best. Wish ko lang is to continue to love each other. And mahalin niyo isa't isa, alagaan niyo isa't isa. Then me and Tita Para is always here to protect you and guide you and to help you in any problems. And again, congratulations and best wishes. Bye! Say bye!
Bye!